Listen, your mom is asking me to do the dishes.
So do it. What's the problem?
But I have my office work also and I have to be around my laptop.
See, you have to tell your office guys that you have work at home also. Please make them understand.
But you have to understand.
See, I don't want to go into all this. I have a con call in 5 minutes. Please handle it yourself. Please.
And what about your targets?
Sir, I'm trying to do it. Actually, there's no maid at home, so I'm handling all the work alone.
See, that's not my problem. If you cannot fulfill the company's requirement, then I'm sorry, I might have to take some strict actions.
No, sir. I will try to do it at night and send you the email. Is that fine?
Yeah, we'll see.
It's 10 in the morning and you're still in the bed.
I was working late all night.
So?
So you could have asked mom to make the breakfast. What's the big deal?
Yeah, why not? She's any which ways working every day when we are working, and now when we are at home, then also I should tell her that she should work, right?
But I have my office also.
That is not my problem. You are at home, please go ahead and take care of the house. That's it.
Listen,
Yeah.
I'm thinking of quitting my job.
Quitting your job? I mean, how are we going to manage things?
So you tell me what to do. All of you are expecting me to take care of the household work in my office time, and my boss is after me for not being available.
See, any which ways, you're getting their work done, right? Even if you have to work till late, what's the problem?
Yes, exactly. And it is affecting me both physically and mentally. See, this is not a weekend leave. We both are working from home. But only I am expected to do all the household work, which I'm fine to do. But after my office hours, you have to please understand that.
Yeah, I think you're right. I didn't think that way. Let's do one thing. We can both go to bedroom in the morning and work till 6 o'clock, and I'll talk to everyone in the family. You don't have to worry.
That's perfect.
No problem. And I'll make sure that I'm helping you in household work also. Don't worry, we'll manage things together. I feel lockdown because of this pandemic is toughest on ladies, and especially working ladies, because companies are expecting them to work during their work hours, and families, kids, husband, all of them are expecting them to be with them. And in between all this, females are getting grinded. So what we have to do is only expect them to be with you after their office time, and that's it. So this is high time we should address this as a problem, support them and find a solution. That's it for this story. See you next Friday. Khuda Hafiz and stay positive. If you are going through any psychological or relationship problem, then you can join our positivity group by the name of Nijo Positive. It's a community counseling group wherein you can submit your problems anonymously, and people in the group will try to solve it or support you with positivity. The link is in the description below. Thank you. Bye-bye.